I'm going to show you the cooking machine that cooks by itself. And 你好，能不能为我演示一下？演示一下。
就是通过这个扣着这个膜，然后拿起有那个 APP。
扣着这个。
对，扣着这个我们这个卡槽嘛，好吧，按照这个顺序放进去，它就通过这中间这个滚轴，用这个来把这个膜给扣住的，把这个通过这个膜来带动的，通过这个滚轴，你看，然后呢拿起我们手机扫码。它会显示这菜的名称、烹饪的时间，按下这个按钮，机器就自动工作的。首先的话是预热，然后呢。
So it's going to the machine is preheating itself, and what peeled off the box? I'm not quite sure.
先热锅，然后的话它就按照炒菜的顺序，它会下油下蒜。一步一步这样投放。
但是我没有看到有油啊。
油的话，它全部在里面。它有什么菜的话，全部都洗掉。
Oil is inside. I don't dare to get closer. The oil, I'm afraid that when it heats up and the oil splash.
这个就是油，这个就是蒜，这个肉，这个菜，这个调味酱料。
Oh yeah, the first layer is oil. It puts the ingredients in order. Oil, there's garlic, there's meat, and there's sauce at the end. So it's preheating. 要预热的话要多久？一般？
大概1分钟，整个过程就7分钟。它这个后面的时间呢，这道菜的话，烹饪时间之前2维码，它烹饪的时间这些都有的。
7 minutes in total. 1 minute to heat up. That's this way. I saw a Wi-Fi icon, and this one probably for electricity or for working to pause, or this must be the start button, and the other one is the power button.
差不多要开始工作了。一般冷锅到热锅的话是1分钟左右。
要开始一层一层的撕，好激动。但是又好想它快一点，我觉得好慢。
它一锅是冷锅，它很快的，它1分钟。一般如果是热锅的话，一般就30秒、20秒左右就可以来工作了。冷锅的意思是说锅没有使用，如果锅的话一直在使用，你放进去的话它就会很快嘛。
如果它是静止状态呢？如果它什么都没有炒，但是它插了电的话，它还是会有，好像那个保温，好像那个饭那个煮饭那个。
不会。
会。
它这个没有保温的，因为保温不好，因为下面的话它会有一些温度，那个一高的话，菜的底部会烧焦。
Oh, I can hear this oil splashing, sizzling, I would say. First layer, okay, the oil goes in, and then the garlic, and is this stirring? So inside it must be stirring itself. There is like a claw. I'm not quite sure. But the good thing is the whole thing is covered up, so I don't have to worry about splashing over my clothes. I just need to sit tight and wait. Oh. It's getting... I'm so hungry. It smells so good. So on the app, if you download their app, it shows how much time elapsed for cooking. It's 3 minutes left. So it's pouring the meat inside. It's convenient so that you can monitor. Oh, so it's dripping. I guess you have to put like this. Probably want to put a bowl here so they catch the drip. And it just pour the meat in. So there are 5 little processes here. Preheating and preheating the oil takes a minute, and frying the garlic takes a minute, and then it takes about 4 minutes to finish the meal. Now this is it's pouring the other ingredients, pouring the chives and veggies.
好了，
这是好的。
对，很好。
因为那个蒸汽，所以有很多水。
正常，它那个因为盒子扯开的时候会有蒸汽。
saw some peppers, some meat, and some green beans.
可以尝一下
Wow,
味道。
it's ready to eat. Let's do it. Now let's try the pork. Texture, it's awesome because when I cook it at home, I always overcook it. So let's try the beans. Beans is not too soft, so the timing is right. I can tell you. So not only this meal, every week they have their own store on WeChat. So in the refrigerator, they have chicken, they have sausage, they have pork, and they have beef. They have different ingredients in different boxes, so it won't just be one kind of meal. But unfortunately, I think it's only available in China for now. This is called Fan Mai cooking machine. You can buy it in China, but they haven't gone into the Western market yet. If they do, I will let you know. Right now I'm going to finish my meal. See you next time.